They don't wanna see me rise, no. They just wanna see me fall. When I've been giving my all, I'm just gonna do it my way.
Hey everybody, and welcome to part 2 of creating your very own YouTube add-on using the Tantrum YouTube add-on code. Alright, in this tutorial video we're going to cover customizing the actual add-on files so that it's all yours with your name on them. So right off the bat here, we're going to go into the folder and we're going to open the Addon.xml file. Alright, and this is the main one for ensuring it's all named the way you want. Alright, this first line here is the main thing we're editing. We want to edit where it says tutorial here in the ID, and that can be whatever you want it to be. Just remember that this is also going to be the folder name that we're going to change here in a minute that has to match. So if you want this to be my add-on, you can name it my add-on, just whatever you want. And then the same with this part here. The name field can be whatever you want. And this is what will be displayed in Kodi for the name. Alright, set the version to whatever you want. I usually start mine off at 0.0.1. Alright, and then we go down here, and this is all using the standard metadata for Kodi add-ons. So you can set the summary to be whatever you want. Same with the description and the disclaimer. All this is displayed within Kodi when you go to install the add-on. Alright, and when you're looking at it. So we're going to go ahead and leave this the way it is. Now before we close it, I'm going to copy the ID here. Alright, so I'm going to save it. We're going to close this. We want to make sure to close it so we don't leave that file open. Alright, we're going to go back to where we extracted it, and we had the folder here. And we're going to right click on that and rename it. And I'm going to hit paste here, so that paste that ID in there, because that's what we want. Alright, now the next thing we're going to do here is open Addon.py. There's only a quick change we need to make to this. All the code is ready to go for you in this file. There's nothing you need to change. The only thing that you need to change would be up here at the top in the comments. You can set this to match what you put in the XML. Alright. And then whatever provider name you set, which is your name, your internet handle, chat name, whatever. And then we're going to save that and close it. Alright. Now we're going to go into the resources folder. We're going to go into lib, and we're going to open globe_var.py, the global variables file. This is the one where we'll be changing the most. Up here at the top, we'll change this. Alright, next thing to change here is plugin.video.tutorial to my add-on. Then of course the provider name. Now the next items down here will be changed to whatever you need them to be for where you're hosting your add-on. So the URL, if you notice, I have it set for tutorial.tantrumtv.com/YouTube, which YouTube is a folder at this website address. Alright, and the reason for putting it in a subfolder is it just makes it easier to manage your menu files if they're grouped together in their own folder. So that's why I recommend creating a subfolder at your host, wherever you put them, whether it's on GitHub or you have your own website host. That's what I recommend doing. Alright, the add-on title is the next line to change. and that is the My YouTube add-on. You want that to be the same name that you're using in your Addon XML. Alright, the next thing down here, and this is the only other things that we need to change, is the file name variables. Alright, the main menu file is mainmenu.txt, which is included in the zip file you downloaded. If you change the name of that file, then you'll definitely want to change it here so it knows which file to look for at your website host. Same thing with news.xml. If you change that, just make sure that you change it here as well so it knows where to look for the news file. Alright, and that's it. That's all there is to change in this one. Alright, and IO file and menu, both of those files have just one change, and this is optional, and that is the header up here. So if you want to change the name and the add-on ID and provider to match your information, you can go ahead and do that in each of those two files. Alright, definitely recommend doing that just so you know it has your look and feel to it, and you know it's customized for you. Like I said, those are optional because those are only comments. That's not part of any of the code. Alright, now we're going to jump back up here to the Addon XML. There is one thing I forgot to show you to set. Alright, as you can tell, you know, it's plugin.video up here. Alright, YouTube is a dependency for it. So when you install this, if you do not have YouTube installed, it will download it from the Kodi team repository and install it for you. Now down here, and this is the other line we need to change, provides. Alright, if you want it to be a music add-on for music videos, then you set plugin ID to plugin.audio.myaddon, same with the folder name, and then down here you would come to provides and set that to audio. However, in the tutorial we're doing a video add-on, so we want to change provides to video so that it matches that. Alright, alright, we're going to go ahead and save that now that it's set for video. We're going to close that out. And again, if you set it for plugin.audio your add-on folder name, then you'll just want to make sure that you update this to match the same as your add-on ID. Alright, now that we're done with that edit, we're going to go ahead and right click on this and we're going to create a zip file. Alright, I use 7-zip, so I'm just going to go down to add to plugin.video.myaddon.zip. Alright, if you use WinZip, then you go down to it, same thing. Add to, and then the zip file name. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and copy this over to a place where I can use it to install easily in Kodi. Alright, let's switch over to Kodi here. We're going to go to add-ons, my add-on browser. Enable unknown sources here. Back up, install from zip. Go to where I put it. Alright, if you notice, it installed the YouTube add-on and everything for us. Now I have seen where you may get a failed message installing it before, and that's usually when you've already installed it once and deleted it and then go to put it back in there. YouTube, things like that are already on there and it causes a hiccup. Myself, since I'm running portable, I just delete the portable data folder, reopen Kodi, and it installs right away. If you put this on a repo or share it out or anything, you know, just install it once and you should be good. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and back up here. Alright, and as you can see here, it's now showing up under video add-on. If you change or set that to provides audio, then it'll show up under music add-ons. Alright, now we're not going to go into it yet because we haven't uploaded those menu files, so it's just going to error out. So if you notice here, it does say the title is My YouTube Add-on. It's displaying the default icon and fan art that I had for it. So everything should be good to go. The next step is just going to be to get those menu files created and online so that it can access it. And that's going to be in the next video, covering how to edit those files to make them point to the content that you want on YouTube, and upload them, and then we'll be coming back into Kodi in order to see them live. If you liked it, be sure to so I'll see you in the next video. Below. Click like in the corner, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a comment down below, click like in the corner, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.